In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update bank info on Etsy. Whether you're new to the Etsy platform or just haven't had to update your financial information before, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. It's important to make sure your bank details are always up to date on Etsy to ensure smooth transactions and avoid any disruptions to your sales or payouts. Let's start by navigating to the right place in your Etsy account. First, you'll want to head over to your Shop Manager. This is your central hub on Etsy where you manage everything related to your store, from listings to orders. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Finances. This is where you'll find all things monetary related to your Etsy shop, including how you get paid, your sales data, and other financial details. Within Finances, you'll need to click on Payment Settings. This is where you'll manage the way Etsy sends payments to your bank. Once you've reached the Payment Settings page, look for an option or tab labeled Bank Info. This section is critical, as this is where you'll perform the actual update to your banking details. Here, you'll find the current bank information on file. If you need to make a change, this is the place to do it. Click into the fields provided and carefully enter your updated banking details. It's crucial to ensure that all information you input is accurate to avoid problems with payment transfers. Make sure to double-check key details like your bank account number and your bank's routing number. An incorrect input here can lead to delays or failed transactions, which nobody wants. After entering your new banking information, it's time to save your changes. Typically, there will be a Save or Update button at the bottom or the top of this section. Make sure to click this button to confirm your changes. This step is vital because if the changes aren't saved, Etsy will continue to use your old bank information and any updates you made will not take effect. Once you hit Save, Etsy will usually confirm that your details have been updated. You might even receive a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox for that. And that's it. You've successfully updated your bank information on Etsy. This process ensures that your payments will be sent to the correct account without any hitches. Remember, whenever you change banks or your banking information for any reason, it's essential to update these details on Etsy promptly. Keeping your financial information current will help you maintain uninterrupted service and peace of mind. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, Etsy support is available to help guide you through resolving any problems. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Etsy.